Alright guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery on your Galaxy SmartTag2. So this time, this model, Samsung made it much easier for you to replace it compared to their first model, which is fantastic. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So every time you purchase a box, you should get one of these ejector tools inside. So everyone should get this one. If you don't have it, you lost your box for some reason, you can use any sort of pin to eject the battery. So I'll show you guys how to do it. So you'll see inside here we have a smaller hole right there, so you're gonna pop it and make sure it like comes out. So I'm gonna do it now. So I'm gonna poke it, so make sure you give it a bit of pressure, so push, you can see, there we go, and it comes out just like that. And now you can take out the battery. So this is my battery. You can see it's a CR2032, so this is the type you want to buy. Make sure you get the correct one. This is the positive side of the battery, and the other side is the negative. So yeah, this is the old one. Let's put the new one in. I already got it right here, so you can see CR2032. So just put it like this, and then just put it the way you ejected it last time. So yeah, just like this, and then you hear the sound, means it's done. So it's fully functioning, and you can now use your SmartTag2 like usual. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.